guys? We're down here at my track again, Sunday. We decided to come out here and just have a good time with some friends and stuff. We got Gary here with me.
What's up, everybody?
We got a couple of local YouTuber guys that are coming down. We got Shea True Hoonigans. He's on his way down again right now. And we also have Bad Luck Garage. He's here right now with his Corvette. Him and another guy that's friends with us is working on their Corvettes together. But we're going to be doing little passes and stuff with them. So let's go see how they're doing.
What's up, man?
Hey, oh gosh. You went a little deep there, man.
What's going on, man?
Enjoy that.
What y'all doing now? Show me how you tune yours?
No, well, I can't tune it right now because I don't have a wideband in it, but I did make a couple changes. So actually, I was just fixing to talk about that. What I did is I took my IET wideband.
Is that your new shifter, Punisher?
Yeah, that's my little. I wanted a button for the line lock.
For line lock?
Yeah, so we'll get the line lock on hopefully this week too, and then.
So definitely watch his install video on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this little sleeve, I did have to modify it because it was Chinesium.
Oh yeah. Also, you want to tell what your name of your vet is?
Oh yeah, the China Vet. Yeah.
He named his Corvette China Vet because from all the.
Yeah, all the Chinese eBay shit I'm putting on it.
But it does make power. It has improved from what he told us from a previous track that he ran and what he ran today already.
Yeah. If you watch the video where I ran it stock, it was running 908 stock, and I was having issues because my dumbass kept forgetting to turn the traction control off, and I just run a.
Because I mean, he was racing a woman or something, and he's like, she's about to smoke my ass.
Oh, she did too. Yeah, she smoked me, dude. Dude, she pulled up and she was in a C5 too, and that thing was like crawl, crawl, crawl. And then she gets up to the line and she obviously had a stall in it. She's like, whoa, and I'm like, oh, I'm fucked.
Yeah. Here it goes. Here comes ass chewing.
Like a 60-year-old woman just busted my ass.
Yep.
But I mean, it was stock. I was expecting it, but yeah, and I don't expect miracles right now. But you know, I'm hoping to get down the low 8s just with the tune. What I've done to it already, and then just with the tune. And then, you know, we got those 2 kits of nitrous sitting in the garage, so we'll see what happens next. Get down here and see if this helped at all.
Before he told me he ran a 9.8 on stock, and you can go follow his channel. You can see the upgrades that he's done with it by eBay parts, and he is now making a 884 at 80 on a no prep track.
Street tires.
On street tires. Alright guys, we're about to go riding this Corvette right here. It's got cams, exhaust, what else did you say? Springs.
Quick rod clippers. Just a basic cam kit.
Huh?
It'll be a lethal performance.
Okay.
No question.
Yep.
So how is it you feel about people doing donuts up there at the top of the hill?
I don't give a shit.
You don't give a shit?
We can do it later if you want to.
Out fucking standing. That's what I was fixing to.
Yeah, we can do
You
it.
guys about to run this?
Yeah, we're going to make a pass and we'll video it and everything.
You want me to go next to you?
Yeah, come on.
Cool.
Yeah, we got Bad Luck Garage going to run against us. What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby. His name's Bobby. He is from
Knoxville.
Knoxville. He's also a subscriber as of today. Woohoo! And there comes Bad Luck Garage. He's gonna come down and race us. Both cars are on street tires. We gonna smoke that ass! Watch racing without a little shit talk, right?
What? What's going on, brother?
Not much. We're gonna take him to Gapplebee's. I'm gonna roll back a little bit here. Oh, no, never mind. I was about to fuck you up.
Let's go backwards.
Oh, backwards. Very good. Go ahead, just make a pass. We'll come back and do it again. He's still learning how to. He's just not had the car too long. He's still learning, everybody. So just work with him.
Screw that all up. What the hell?
He's still learning the car. Look at this. Invite a guy to come to your drag strip and hang out. And he decides he's gonna do some damn donuts. Like somebody wants to be a drifter now instead of a racer. Jesus.
Oh yeah, I gotta have some rubber there.
Do some donut. Let's see the orange one do something. I ain't never done donut. You up here try it. Try it.
Don't make him mess it up. Shit.
Alright, let me grab another camera.
Might want to move up a little bit just in case it sling a rock or something on you.
Oh yeah.
We're no longer a drag strip. We're a drift track too. This guy's cool as hell too. We just met him today. Yeah! Praise him, praise down!
Isn't it though? Hey, I'll tell you what. The only thing that makes it kind of awkward here is because we're on a slope.
Right. Yeah.
So you, like it spins this way real fast, and then it wants to go slow, and then real fast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know
you
what's
get it on
weird?
left,
It
like that
looks
thing will
like
fucking sling you into the door,
Yeah.
man. It's fun.
That's what's weird. It looks like you're way farther over than what you are,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you're not that far because of the grass.
Oh, I wasn't even like after the first donut, I couldn't fucking see anyway. So I was just like praying I didn't hit anything.
Second gear, you know. First gear was
Yeah, when you finally figured it out, dude, you was
about a month into that car, so
yeah.
It's beautiful, man.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, this is this sunset orange. That's the color I wanted to paint my truck, Project Steppenwolf.
Just so you know, he wants to run it back.
He wants,
Yeah, he wants to run back. Yeah.
Man, that's cool.
Yeah. We ain't going out like that.
Nah. Was this? What year is this?
so 2005.
So it's the LS2 then. Yeah. So he's got me by about 50 horsepower, and he's got a 6
So
speed.
Lethal Performance did a cam package in it and exhaust.
Yeah, I could tell it had a cam.
That's the only thing that's been done.
What cam's in it? Because it sounds
I don't
fucking
even
mean,
know.
man.
I don't even know. It's
Brandon.
I think it's 602 lift, 230 something duration.
He's in the same area. He's from Knoxville as well.
I'm from Knoxville.
Really?
Yep.
Well, dude, yeah, we need to
I've seen
exchange
your channel
numbers.
a bunch, your
Oh, have you?
up and all, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool, man, cool. Yeah, we need to exchange numbers or
Yeah,
something. Maybe
absolutely. Yeah.
Maybe we can do some hanging out or some
Absolutely.
street pools in
Yeah,
Mexico
absolutely.
or.
I love it.
Yeah, that'd be great, man.
It's a fun car. It's faster than what I can drive it right now.
Right.
It's got a he made a pass on a 7088 was the best number.
788. That's pretty good on street turns and
that's
shit.
all
Yeah.
I've had it 876 as fast as I've had it, but I'm still learning it.
Yeah.
That's
Getting out the trees, my problem, you know. No line lock.
time for some drag radials.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, that thing'd be a different
Yeah,
animal then.
Oh yeah.
I actually just made you know, my best pass so far in the China Vet down there, and it was 884 is what that last pass was. I got rid of that IAT timing bullshit, and it actually knocked a 10th off my 60 foot, but then it started getting some knock retard on the big end and pulled timing on that. So that's why I pulled time off my 60, but didn't drop much off my 8th mile.
So what do you say we go back down, line them up again?
I like it.
Go back to Gapplebee's.
I like
Gapplebee's?
Gapplebee's.
Let's go, bro.
Try to find third gear this time.
Talking?
We ain't doing nothing.
Watch this. Ford's gonna try to do what Chevy does. Oh yeah.
It's amazing what you can do in a Mustang when there's no sidewalk around.
Or anybody. Oh yeah, by the way guys, it's for sale.
Yeah.
As he does burnout. That's my two partners in the drag strip too.
Oh yeah, oh is it?
Yeah.
Now let's go down here.
Bet you weren't planning to come to the drag strip doing donuts, did you?
No, I didn't have that time, but hey, I'm all for it. Fun.
Hell yeah. That's all we're about here, is having fun.
That's why you buy these cars.
Yep.
Tear them up, fix them, tear them up, fix them again.
Yep, yep.
Any tires left?
All right, here we go again, guys. There you go, now burn around.
Got a hole that time.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
absolutely.
Got her out that time, by George. Hell yeah. What'd you get that time?
908.
908?
Spun too much.
Oh, really?
I had 258, 60 foot.
Yeah,
Usually
yeah.
I've been about the 230 range.
My time sucked on that.
Yeah, mine too. I
Yeah.
just spun like crazy.
Yeah, well, I did too. I think we destroyed our tires out there.
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Hey, I'm with you.
That was fun.
Fun. Love it.
All right, bye.
Girl handshake.
The one about your...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, he's gonna think I'm some kind of little bitch, man, because I shook his hand like this. But yeah, my elbow's jacked up.
What's his plans with that?
Huh?
What's his plans with it? Is he going to rebuild it?
Brother, he's doing exactly what I wanted to do to it. He's making a daily driver out of it. His girlfriend actually works for a body shop. So, yeah.
His girlfriend works for a body shop?
Yeah, dude, she does body work. So
Damn.
she's fixing all the body work. He owns a glass company, but all the glass was good on it. So they're going to fix it up. He's already got a 6.0 to go in it, 4L80. And yeah, it's going to be a daily driver.
Steps out too.
Yeah, he's got a
four-wheel
lifted four-wheel drive K5, I guess you could, or K10.
K10.
There's starting to be a lot more girls getting to building cars, like that Netflix show. It's on Netflix, but they have a girl, and that's what she does. She builds all their engines for them. And stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know what you're talking about. That blonde. Is it the blonde? No, I'm thinking of a
No.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
There's some YouTube channel where it's got a chick that.
I think it's like Gothic Garage.
All Girl Garage, yeah.
It's Gothic Garage is what it is on Netflix.
Yeah, I've not seen it.
Yeah, it's a pretty good show. It's like 6 episodes, but it's really good. And she builds some killer ass motors too for them. Badass.
Yeah, I'll have to check that out. We can go home, try to get this edited up. It's going to take a while, guys. We got like 3 different cameras and footage of a bunch of different people racing, so I'm going to try to keep it short, but by the time you get to this point in the video, you're going to know I probably failed.
Well, like I said, man, I appreciate you coming out.
I appreciate you having me, man. It's
Hopefully
always a good time.
We'll do some more, for sure. Raceway.
English Mountain Raceway, guys. Make sure you come up here and check them out.
And my YouTube channel, JDL Boosting.
Got some big events coming up.
Yeah, we also got some big events if you want to come up with them. We got the Diesel Outlaw October 20th. November 10th, we got a $20,000 race. And November 17th, we got a cash night. It starts at 7 p.m. to midnight, or past midnight.
October
Yeah.
race.
Get in on that, guys. If you're local at all.
What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? I don't.
Everybody go visit his YouTube page, Bad Luck Garage.
And what do you got? What's your page?
He's on my
This is
page.
JDO Boosting. We're
Oh,
JDO
JDO
Boosting.
Yep. I'll put links in the description, guys.
So are we.
Yeah, I already mentioned that earlier. See, this is what happens when you sidekick. Don't fucking listen to you. Jesus Christ, dude. I'm just joking. Chill out. I love you.
That's a little homo.
You see what I put up with every day?
All right, guys. I'm grabbing the family and getting out.